No, dude, keep going. One more. Fuck this place up. Yeah, sure. Alright, you ready? Yeah. You gotta start off slow to go high speed. We'll do a drift, alright? Alright. Did he stop? No, still recording. Still recording. Dude, that was a nice drift. Okay, we got it. Yeah. Oh man, can't see. Roll down your window. Wanna do one more? Alright, let's do... You can't really see it from a distance. Alright, you ready, Anthony? Yeah. This is gonna be a sweet drift right here. Oh shit! Alright, we gotta piece out of here. Dude, you didn't even go out the right way. Ready for this? Yeah. Better make sure you delete it. Oh shit, dude, my dad's home. Oh, there's no way we're not gonna trouble and hopefully you didn't see this. There's no way we should get back there. Dude, do you think you saw us do his burnout down the church? So you know how to drift, right? You got this down? So I just pull this up? You have to push in the clutch when you're ready to drift. Push in the clutch and yank that up and turn the wheel. Oh, you stalled it, dude. You have to push the clutch in and start it. All the way. Alright, you gotta let the clutch out smoothly. You didn't let it out smooth enough. It's hard to learn, dude. Even on this car. Just gas it a bunch. And once you get going and you feel it flipping, like give it a little less gas. Gas it. You didn't gas it enough. Why stick blows and no one has it. You just gotta learn how to do it. Alright, now floor it. What is it? You can't pull up the handbrake. So you have to pull up handbrake and slam on the foot brake? No, you slam in the clutch and pull up the handbrake.